afternoon, guys. How was your experience today in Dronacharya for the ATL lab you came?
Good afternoon. We are from Army Public School, Noida. I am Ritu.
Myself, Arvind Sharma.
For my part of the group, we went to the 3D modeling lab, and they taught us how to 3D model basic structures, cars, bikes, etc. It was really fun, and we could understand everything they taught us, and it was good that we could learn something new.
On our part of the group, we were planning to design the web application using the app Figma. The sir and all the bhaias were extremely knowledgeable and were guiding us through all the steps necessary to design a perfect application. Thank you all for this experience.
Did this help in any way deciding your career path? Anything else in the future? Would you go in which path and all? Anything did it help you?
It provided more insight on some of our career choices. I'm sure all of our class had also learned something new about their career or something.
It even extended our horizons on different job applications and different apps which you can use to make up projects in school also.
So overall experience was good for you?
Yes, it was very good.
Excellent.
Sir.